Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo v29. Begin by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. Now, in this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in the white pop-up at the top and select Receive at the bottom of Vivo, between Send and History. Now click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android, if it's not already on, and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Then select them. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Vivo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Vivo's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, hit Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!